Hey folks, Mike Bissett here, Guarantee RV Supercenters, located in Junction City, Oregon. First of all, I want to talk a little bit about our dealership. We're located in Junction City, Oregon. As I said, we're a full service dealership. We've got an RV park over here for your convenience, a restaurant over here, and we've got service 7 days a week. Nobody else does that. So we're here to take care of you. And what I want to show you today is this really cool small diesel coach. It's a 2017, so it's barely pre-owned. Pace Arrow 33. So it's kind of what a lot of people are looking for right now. It's a diesel coach in a smaller platform. You can see it's got full body paint, single piece windshield. It's got the mask on it right here so it'll avoid rock chips. Even on the front door up here, they put the barrier right here, so if you're dangling your keys, it won't mess up this beautiful paint job. Encased awning, bus style windows. These are better, especially on Oregon weather. When the rain's coming in sideways, they open like this so the rain doesn't come into your coach if you still want a breeze. Again, it's on a Freightliner chassis. Lots of pass-through storage. And I've opened all the bay doors so you can take a look. These are nice too because they're the barn door type that open this way instead of up where you have to crawl underneath. Entertainment center in that area. And a couple more little storage areas. In a 33-foot coach, it's nice to have every little nook and cranny counts. So here's what the outside looks like. It's a double slide on the other side. Let's take a look inside and show you the floor plan. It's really nice. I really like the flooring in this. There's no carpeting, and so you could accent it with whatever color you want with throw rugs and pillows and things like that. Up here, again, single piece windshield. These blinds are automatic. You just hit a button on your dash and they go down, and then these for your privacy curtains go across here. Really nice family coach too. Up above me, and I'm 6'4", so there's a lot of headroom here, but it does have a bunk bed that automatically goes down this track, and then a ladder attaches right here so the kids can have a big sleeping area. Here's where all your functions are of the coach, your command center, so to speak. Real rich colors in this. The wood is very nice. Your TV over your dinette over here. And couch makes into a bed. That'll make into a bed also. Nice hard surface countertops. If you want to leave a note for somebody, you can even have some chalk and put that right there. Residential fridge. Every nook and cranny counts in this. So you got a pantry here, and even in this little space here, you've got a place that you can put brooms, etc. Big shower, and then big head. You can take a peek in there. This is the bedroom. The bedroom slides out. Nice sitting area to change. Does have the Splendide combination washer dryer. These work very well. The key is to be there when the drying cycle is done, so you can take your clothes, put it on your bed, fold them away, and take care of business. Closet over here, and another closet over here. So if you're interested in this coach, give me a call, Mike Bissett, Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City. Thanks for your time.